Hi, my name is Rita.
And I'm Jeff. And my mother was a very proud Luxembourger. She was proud of the fact that both her grandfather and her grandmother both came from Luxembourg, came to the United States, settled here in Minnesota. And when we found out that we could reclaim that heritage, she was so excited for us. We applied a couple of years ago. It's been taken a lot of time to do it. And I think there are 33 of my cousins and my sisters and brothers and their children who have applied for citizenship. Unfortunately, of course, they've not been able to complete all their processes because they had planned to travel this summer, and I don't think that that's going to happen. For us, it's not only about the citizenship, it's about family. We have connected with relatives there who go back hundreds of years, the family lines, and we've been able to stay in their homes. They've been able to come here and stay in our home. We just have these wonderful connections. On my great-grandmother's side, they came from the Mosel region near Besch-Kleinmacher, and we've spent a lot of time in the wine country down there on the Mosel with the Schwartz family. And Marcel and Josette are like parents to me. We were very saddened when we received the news not long ago that Marcel passed with this current health crisis that's going on. So many elderly people are at risk, and we lost him.
We were very blessed to be able to visit last year, and were able to see both Marcel and Josette among other family members. And it really meant a lot to us to be able to spend time with them.
And on my great-grandfather's side, that's really where we started making the connections, with my uncle going over several times to Luxembourg to try and find the family. He met up with the Freilings. Ferdinand Freiling had traced the lineage of the family that had come to the United States, and that's how we found each other. Back in the 90s, 80s and 90s, they were doing this. So it's been 30 or 40 years of building this family connection.
And lots of visits back and forth. Each trip that we go, we find more and more people that we need to meet with.
And the young people now in our family here and there are connecting, which is really beautiful. It sounds like something that's going to continue. And if we could get them connected so that they're citizens of the same country, it would be truly meaningful, because they'd really be able to share in everything. So we hope that you can consider whether or not it's possible to extend the deadline. So my family, who hasn't had a chance yet to complete the process, many have, most have in fact, but I know my sister and her daughter are very compromised and cannot travel because of health conditions, and so they won't probably be able to travel at all this year. Next year, yeah. So if it would be possible to extend the date, it would make it possible for them to reclaim something that they've worked so hard on for years to build.